Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about Baltini website. Is this website legit or scam? So let's get started. Baltini is an online clothing store that offers competitive prices on luxury and rare fashion items, often delivering globally. Customers appreciate the range and speed of delivery. If we talk about its Trustpilot review and score, then Baltini has 5,097 reviews and a 4.1 out of 5 star rating, indicating a generally positive experience. Reviewers often praise competitive pricing, rare finds, and efficient delivery, even from Italy to Australia. Communication and professionalism of staff are also frequently highlighted. However, some customers have reported issues with orders, such as wrong sizing or disputes over product wear and tear, as seen with a Dolce & Gabbana wallet issue or a jacket return with high fees. If we talk about its contacting details, then Baltini is located at 2510 East Sunset Road, hashtag 5-960, 89120, Las Vegas, United States. You can reach them at +1 83393881182 or via email at info@baltini.com. Their website is baltini.com. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Thank you.